Hello everyone, this is Grizel and I'm back with another video for this week. This week's video is going to be about question 12, application problem. Find the missing value that makes the following a perfect square trinomial. Explain the process you use to find the value. So the trinomial we have here is 4x squared minus bx plus 49, and we're trying to find the missing value, which is the negative b. So to start, step 1 is to use formula ax squared minus 2abx plus b squared equals ax minus b squared, and solve. So you may be a little bit confused because we have a purple b here and then a green b right over here. So I purposely colored these two differently because this formula is pertaining to the A being colored here, which is 4, and the B, which is the 49. But since the missing value was marked as B, this one's a completely different value. This is not the same value. So now that you know that, we're going to go on and explain further for step 1. So we have to get the square root of these two values, alright? So let me write this down so you can see it. So let's do that. So to get the 2's, we get the 4, and we get the square root, which is 2, which is what you see here being inputted for A. And then we're gonna do square root of 49 as well, which equals 7. And that's where you see it inputted here for B, for the purple B. So now that we inputted these values into where they should be according to the formula, we're going to start solving it. Alright? We're not going to solve this portion. We're going to use this for step 2. But for now, for step 1, we're going to just focus on these, alright? So 2x squared equals 4x squared, and then 2 times 7 would equal 14, and then we still need to do that for the next step. Then the 7 squared is 49. Now for this one, we're going to just slide that one down and slide this one down, and then we get that negative 2 times 14x, which would equal negative 28x. So our missing value would be the negative 28, which is the green B. As you can see, there's a difference here. So that's my apologies. Now that we found the missing value, we always got to check our answer to make sure that this is a correct value. So let's go down to step 2. All right. So step 2, double check by redistributing factor 4. Oh, my apologies. It shouldn't be a 4. Wait 1 second. Let me quickly adjust that. There you go. So now, you see I dragged this one all the way over here. So now we're going to use it for step 2. We're going to use the FOIL method to redistribute it. Alright? So we got the 2x minus 7 squared. We split that into 2 factors of the same, which is that 2x minus 7 times 2x minus 7. And using the FOIL method, we're pretty much just grabbing the 2x, multiplying it by that, which is what you see here. Then we're doing the same thing. We're going to grab the 2x and multiply it by negative 7, which you see here. Then we're going to do the same with negative 7 times 2x, which is what you see here. And then we're going to grab the negative 7 again and multiply it by negative 7 as well. So that's the breakdown of the FOIL method. And now that when you add them all together, that 2x times 2x would equal the 4x squared. The 2x times minus 7 would equal that minus 14x. The same with this one, minus 14x. And then the negative 7 times negative 7 will equal the 49. And then we just add those two together, and it would equal that negative 28x. And that is what That's the formula that we have listed above in step 1. So that's what we're looking for. And yeah, and that is how you solve application problem number 12. All right. Thank you all for watching, and if any of you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye.